Property Owner Files, Season 6, Episode 10, Finale. What real estate taught me about life. Is being a landlord really worth it? Over the years, property ownership teaches many things. How to analyze deals, how to manage risk, how to build systems. But the longer you stay in it, the more you realize real estate teaches lessons far beyond property. Today's file is about what ownership quietly teaches about life itself. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. What real estate taught me about life. When people think about real estate, they usually think about money, cash flow, equity, returns. But after enough years in ownership, something becomes clear. The numbers were never the most valuable part. The real value was the perspective it forced you to develop. Today's file isn't about strategy. It's about the life lessons that quietly appear after years of ownership. Stay until the end, because the final lesson changed how I think about success entirely. And if these conversations help you think more clearly about ownership and life, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. Patience beats urgency. Real estate moves slowly. Properties take time to stabilize. Markets take time to cycle. Systems take time to mature. In a world obsessed with speed, ownership teaches patience. Not passive waiting. Intentional patience. The ability to let time do its work. Still watching? The next lesson appears when things go wrong. Part 2. Problems are inevitable. Every property owner eventually faces problems. Repairs, tenants, unexpected expenses. Early on, problems feel like failures. Later, they start to look like teachers. Ownership shows you that difficulties are not exceptions. They're part of the process. Still watching? The next lesson is about identity. Part 3. What you own doesn't define you. It's easy to tie identity to ownership. The portfolio grows, confidence grows, reputation grows. But eventually something shifts. You realize property is just a tool, not a measure of worth. Letting go of that identity brings freedom. Still watching? The next lesson changes how success is measured. Part 4. Enough is more powerful than more. One of the quietest lessons real estate teaches is the importance of defining enough. Enough income, enough responsibility, enough complexity. Without the definition, growth becomes endless. With it, life becomes intentional. Still watching? The final lesson might be the most important. Part 5. Life is the real return. In the end, real estate is temporary. Markets change. Properties change hands. But what remains is how the journey shaped you. Patience, resilience, perspective. Real estate might build wealth, but the real return is clarity about what actually matters. Real estate teaches many lessons, but the most valuable ones have nothing to do with property. If you've followed this journey through the seasons, you already know the real story was never about doors or deals. It was about perspective. Thank you for being part of Property Owner Files. The next chapter begins soon.